car carpet cleaning machines remove deep stains, eliminate odors, improve hygiene, and extend interior lifespan, keeping vehicles fresh, clean, and healthier. My today's video is about top 5 best car carpet cleaning machines that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Dirt Devil Portable Spot Cleaner Machine. The Dirt Devil FD13000 Portable Spot Cleaner is a compact yet highly effective solution for tackling everyday messes. Designed for convenience, this lightweight cleaner is ideal for removing stains from carpets, upholstery, and car interiors without the hassle of bulky equipment. Its strong suction power makes quick work of spills, pet accidents, and embedded dirt, while the portable design ensures easy handling and storage. Whether you're dealing with sudden messes or routine touch-ups, the FD13000 delivers reliable performance with minimal effort. One of its standout features is its user-friendly setup: simply fill, clean, and empty. The included components are straightforward, making it suitable even for first-time users. Backed by a manufacturer warranty, it also provides peace of mind regarding durability. Ranked highly in both home and kitchen and carpet cleaning categories, this model proves its value among consumers. Overall, the Dirt Devil FD13000 is a practical, budget-friendly choice for anyone needing a dependable spot cleaning solution. Now our second product is Hoover Carpet Plus Upholstery Spot Cleaner Machine. The Hoover CleanSlate Plus Carpet Cleaning Machine is a powerful, portable solution for handling everyday spills and stubborn stains. Designed for quick response, it easily tackles mud, wine, pet accidents, and more, making it a practical choice for busy households. Its versatility stands out thanks to the included tools. The 7-inch Wide Path tool efficiently covers larger areas, while the Tight Spot tool reaches into corners and crevices where dirt hides. This makes it suitable for carpets, upholstery, and even car interiors. The dual tank system is another highlight, keeping clean and dirty water separate with a generous 40 ounces capacity, allowing longer cleaning sessions without constant refilling. Maintenance is simple too. Just use the hose rinse tool to flush out residue and keep the machine fresh. For best results, pairing it with Hoover Cleaning Solutions enhances stain removal and freshness. Overall, the CleanSlate Plus offers convenience, efficiency, and reliable performance in a compact design. Our third product is BISSELL Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner. The BISSELL Portable Deep Cleaner stands out as a powerful, pet-friendly solution for tackling stubborn messes. What makes it especially appealing is BISSELL's commitment to the BISSELL Pet Foundation, meaning every purchase contributes to helping homeless pets, a meaningful bonus alongside its performance. This cleaner delivers impressive suction power, outperforming many competitors and making it ideal for deep cleaning carpets, upholstery, and even car interiors. It offers professional-style results without the need to rent bulky machines, saving both time and money. The extra-large clean and dirty water tanks allow longer cleaning sessions with fewer interruptions, which is perfect for bigger jobs or multiple areas. When paired with BISSELL's Triple Action Pet Pro OXY formula, it effectively removes tough pet stains and odors while helping prevent future stains. Overall, this machine combines strong performance, convenience, and a purpose-driven mission, making it a smart choice for pet owners and anyone needing reliable deep cleaning power. Now number 4, Armor All Upholstery and Carpet Cleaner. The Shark Portable Spot Cleaner is a compact yet powerful cleaning companion designed for busy homes. With an impressive 64-inch water lift suction, it handles both wet and dry messes quickly, perfect for households with kids and pets where spills are a regular occurrence. Its 21-foot cleaning reach, combining a long hose and power cord, allows you to move freely without constantly switching outlets. The dual tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, ensuring hygienic operation while making refilling and emptying straightforward. This cleaner truly shines in versatility. It comes with multiple accessories, including a tough stain tool and hose attachment, making it especially effective for car interiors, carpets, and upholstery. The included cleaning solution adds extra stain-fighting power right out of the box. Maintenance is refreshingly simple thanks to the hose cleaning tool, which helps keep the machine itself clean. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's also simple to store. Overall, it's a reliable, portable solution for quick, deep cleaning anywhere you need it. And our last choice is WECLEAN Extractor for couch and carpet cleaner. The WECLEAN C1 carpet cleaner delivers solid deep cleaning performance in a compact, portable design. Powered by a 400W motor, it effectively refreshes carpets by lifting dirt, odors, and stubborn pet messes, leaving surfaces noticeably cleaner and fresher. Its high-performance aqua jets penetrate deep into carpet fibers, while durable bristles work to loosen embedded grime for a thorough clean. With strong suction power exceeding 9,000 pascals, it handles everything from pet stains to spilled drinks with ease, making it a reliable choice for both homes and cars. The dual tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, featuring a 44-ounce clean tank and a 17 ounces dirty tank for efficient operation. Despite its power, the unit remains lightweight at just 4.28 kilograms, making it easy to carry and maneuver. Practical design touches like built-in cord and hose storage keep everything tidy. Backed by a 1-year warranty, the WECLEAN C1 is a convenient and effective solution for everyday deep cleaning needs. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.